Cheddar and bacon pinwheels.
Ooh.
Who doesn't love this on the table?
I mean, if you thought cheddar wasn't enough, now you added bacon.
Amen to that. Speaking of bacon, Katie, I need you to chop that bacon nice and fine, please.
All right, was this made with the Mauro method?
Of course, hashtag Mauro method. We did it on a sheet pan like this, but we overhanged the parchment so it cradles all that fat, fries it right in there. Easy cleanup, save the bacon grease for anything you want, but extra crispy, that's what we're looking for.
Did you say finely chop it?
Finely chopped,
Okay.
all right? I want every bite to have a nice crunchy blast of bacon in it. Now let's make the filling for our pinwheel, and that is some whipped cream cheese.
Ooh.
Into this, we're gonna add some scallion.
Scallions.
Oh.
Love 'em. Or green onions.
Green onions, but I like the tops of this, right?
Me too.
It's not gonna, I mean, it's gonna cook in there, but
They're underappreciated, the tops.
little salt, little pea.
I just want you to know the amount of self-restraint it's taking to not just eat these pieces
I'm
of
counting.
bacon
I'm
right
counting
here.
them too because I want every single bit of bacon in this. I'm gonna grab the puff pastry, which we're keeping in the fridge, Jeffrey.
Do you have
Warm
to thaw-
puff pastry is no good.
Do you have to thaw it out, Jeff?
Yeah, we store bought.
Frozen.
Right? Frozen. I mean, how quick does this thaw out too? Very quickly.
Yeah.
Leave it on the counter.
So good.
Yeah,
it's
it is.
such a
It is.
quality product.
Jeffrey, I'm told you're gonna use this one later. I'm gonna throw
I am.
it back in the fridge for you.
It used to be made with sort of not good fats, but they're actually now made with butter,
How about that?
which
There's
is,
no point in making homemade.
I know, I've made it in culinary school and in restaurants. It is a 3-day process. You guys
Got a
can
little
make it.
bench flour here. We're just gonna roll it out just a little bit to keep it, make sure it's even. Now we can spread.
So you don't dock that or anything. You just
Nope,
as
nope,
it is.
nope, it's going. It's going
Wow.
right in there.
Oh,
Here
my
comes
goodness.
This is gonna be good. You know it's gonna be good.
that scallion cream cheese.
So Jeff, are you going crust to crust on this?
No, we're not. We're gonna leave
Okay.
just a little border, just for the sake of expansion when it goes into that oven. All right, now we have the cheddar that Katie passed to me, and we got that bacon. Can you throw that in a bowl for me, please?
Sure.
You can
Katie?
use, if you had block of, cheddar or jack, it doesn't matter.
Jack,
Any cheese,
Monterey Jack,
yeah.
pepper Jack. You can use.
Just cleaning the box, cleaning the box out.
Clean it out, right?
Yep.
Any cheese would be great. You know, use all the nubbins
Yeah.
of all those
Yeah, total
random
mixture.
cheeses. Now we're just gonna use that just a little bit, and of course we're gonna use that cream cheese and the scallion cream cheese here as our glue. Katie, thank
Look
you.
at those beautiful bacon pieces.
I mean, talk about a way to improvise with any type of filling in this. Look at that. That is the key to this, Katie.
Yeah, it's the
You don't
perfect
want
bacon.
chunky bacon.
No, don't be giving me any chunky bacon in those
No.
pinwheels.
No, I want mighty fine bacon. You want to work quick, right?
Yeah.
The key to puff pastry is working when it's cold. Don't leave this out on the counter too long. Cold puff pastry
Is your
behaves
friend.
is your friend.
Yeah.
When it hits that heat in that oven, that's when the magic happens. Jeffrey, how does this look? to
It
you,
looks
my
great. Do you put it back in the fridge to chill it up a bit or
friend?
no?
You can if you want, but we're ready to roll.
Jeff, you think you could do this like with crescent roll dough too? If
You
have a little
can,
pop
you
tube?
can if you're, if you don't believe in what I'm telling you right now, you can definitely do that.
I just meant if you had the pop tube.
If you have the
there
pop
in
tube,
your
you can.
fridge.
But this is crispier.
All right, so about an inch. See how I lined it up like
Oh,
that?
boy, Jeff.
Right?
Is that an inch?
That's an American inch right
It's a
there.
diagonal inch right there.
I like to stick these kind of little tapered edges in the middle so they don't get too crispy. But look at that, nice,
They're gonna
clean,
be
sharp
so
knife.
pretty.
But already you could see that kind of pinwheel effect right there. It's so pretty.
Y'all know that I love a recipe that looks like you really did something but
Mm.
didn't take a lot of effort, and this is one of those.
Now you want to account for obvious spreadage. Okay. And now, Katie, beautiful. And that egg wash is gonna kind of help golden brown it a little more. We're gonna bake it in the oven, 375 for 25 to 30 minutes. Katie, that is fine. Thank you very much.
I got 'em
Great
all.
job of the egg washing.
I can't wait to try these.
You bring them out of the oven, you let them cool, and now we got ourselves
Look how pretty these are.
some gorgeous, look at,
Oh, gorge.
that's two
Gorge.
sheets of puff pastry we used on that, right? And this is it. Well,
I'm just thinking, breakfast with these, a little
How about a
fried
poached egg on this?
Yes.
I
Put
would
an egg on it.
Put an egg on it. Why not, guys? Simple.
It's like, how a lot of bakeries now are doing the savory croissants?
Yeah.
That's what this is like. I mean, look at this. Flaky, delicious. I want to get right to the middle.
That's it.